In this video, I will show you how to find the outlier from the given data, find the mean using Google Sheets, and how to convert the final answer to the nearest tens or hundreds. First, let us define what an outlier is. Outlier is a data value that is much greater or much less than the other values. When included in a data set, it can affect the mean. Given this figure, this data plot, you could see that there is one number far or much less than the other values, which is 28. So here, 28 is the outlier. Let us take this example to find the outlier and the mean using Google Sheets. Put all the data in column A. After you put all the values in Google Sheets, you need to sort this out from least to greatest so you could easily find and identify the lowest score and the highest score. Highlight, then go to data, sort this out from A to Z, and there you go. Now, do you see a data that is much greater or much less than the other values? From the given, you could see 10, which is much less than the value. Let me highlight that so you could easily see. And then, as you can see, there is another number that is much greater than the rest of the value, which is 169. So therefore, in this data, the outliers are 10 and 169. Please take note that there is a formula in finding for the exact outlier, but in this video, we will just focus on identifying the number much less or much greater than. Now, let us find the mean average using Google Sheet. Equal sign, type AVE for the average. And as you can see, there is AVEDEV or average deviation. And we have average from C1 to C12. Why from C1 to C12? Because this is in column C, row 1 up to column C to 12. So click that and there you go. So the mean average is 86.5. If you're asked to convert this to the nearest tens or hundreds, all you have to do is to go up here and look for a decrease decimal and increase decimal. So here, this is already to the nearest tens, and if you want to put this to the nearest hundreds, add or increase one more decimal places. And if you want to make 86.50 to the nearest tens, so you need to take 0 out. So go up here and decrease one decimal place, and your mean is 86.5.